Okay, today guys, I am making some buttery egg biscuits. I have 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of butter. I am adding 2 eggs to the mix. That is 8 ounces. And I'm going to add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. All right. So we have 4 cups of liquid. I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. Got my spatula. I am going to add 5 cups of self-rising flour, mix the eggs in a little bit. The milk is cold. I am going to sift this flour in. am using a double strainer. And now I am going to gently mix by turning the bowl, scraping the sides of the bowl as I turn it. It may look like it is a lot of liquid, guys, but trust the process. You see that, guys? There is no liquid. Sorry about that. There is no liquid on the side of the bowl. This is the perfect powder to liquid ratio. I washed off the countertop with antibacterial soap. So now I am spreading the flour so that the dough won't stick to the countertop. Okay, guys. Now we're going to add the dough. To the countertop. And we're going to knead it a little bit. Don't worry about the egg that was not mixed in, because it's going to mix in right now. Now we don't want to knead it too much, because it will make the biscuits hard. Now you can use a rolling pin, or you can use your hands like I am to press the dough into the desired thickness that you want. I like the big biscuits, guys, so I am using this beer mug. to start to cut out the biscuits. Now when you press down into the biscuits, into the dough, if you hear that air suction sound, that means the biscuits, the dough is mixed perfectly. See that, guys? Look at the thickness. Now these biscuits are going to plump up. Because I have them placed closer together in the pan. I will show you shortly. Now I may not come out with 15 biscuits this time because I'm making them extra thick. Around here we love biscuits, and ever since I learned how to make them, I have been making them. You see that, guys? Look at that. Okay, guys. This is what they look like in the pan. And I'm going to brush some butter on top. You could do butter or the yolk of the egg. It's up to you. So I'm using butter. I'm going to set the oven at 350 and I'm going to let them bake for 40 minutes. All right, guys. So I will be back to show you the final product. Okay, guys, so here they are fresh out of the oven. See if we can get a close-up so you can see how much they rose. See this one right here? Look how high it rose. And I'm going to show you the tester biscuit. Look at that, guys. Wow. So now I'm getting ready to butter them. Let's get a close-up. Look at how thick that is, guys. Don't they look deliciousness? All right, guys. That is it for the biscuit video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll be back with another one real soon. Now tell me that these biscuits are not going to be enough to feed a hungry belly. Happy eating!